Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience with the product. Today we're taking a look at Zoho Vault, a password management solution found at zoho.com/vault. Zoho Vault offers a robust platform for securely storing and managing your passwords, and in this exploration, we'll delve into its key features and functionalities. Zoho Vault is designed to be a comprehensive password manager, offering features like secure password storage, password generation, and secure sharing. This means you can generate strong, unique passwords for each of your accounts, store them securely, and share them safely with team members when needed. A key benefit of a password manager like Zoho Vault is eliminating the risk associated with reusing passwords across multiple platforms. By using a unique password for each account, you significantly improve your online security posture. Beyond individual use, Zoho Vault shines as a team-based solution. Its features facilitate seamless password sharing amongst team members while maintaining administrative control and oversight. This is particularly useful for businesses and organizations where shared access to accounts is necessary. Furthermore, Zoho Vault provides robust auditing capabilities allowing administrators to track password access and modifications, ensuring accountability and security. The platform boasts a user-friendly interface designed for ease of navigation and accessibility. This makes it a practical choice for users of all technical levels, from beginners to seasoned tech professionals. The straightforward design helps ensure that managing your passwords isn't a cumbersome chore, but a streamlined process. In a world increasingly reliant on digital security, a password manager is no longer a luxury but a necessity. Zoho Vault provides a comprehensive and user-friendly solution to the challenges of managing passwords in the modern digital landscape. Its feature set caters to both individual users and teams, offering a robust and secure platform to protect your valuable online credentials. Be sure to check out the link in the description and see if Zoho Vault is the right password management solution for you.